pulled us apart, left me talking to.
So this is the entrance here. Before you get in, you make sure you pay.
You pay via mobile money.
You can also pay cash, right?
Cash, no cash.
So you can, no
Cash
cash?
is not allowed.
Cash is not allowed.
No.
So
You
only
pay
via mobile money.
mobile money.
But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the...
That's the name of this place here. So in this section here, you'll find elephants. They're over there.
If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names?
Okay, up next is leopard. So as you can see, leopard is that side. Let's go find out. I believe that is ostrich there. That's ostrich right there. A monkey.
Monkey?
Monkey up close. So that's the leopard right there. You see the leopard? It's pregnant, lying down here. Look. Wow, guys, look. Leopard. Imagine you found this in the wild. All right, so here we cannot cross, right? Because if we cross, say what the road here? You may be eaten. Don't cross. All right, guys, if you come here, be careful. You cannot cross over that side because you'll be eaten. And I'm also scared, so meaning I cannot go that side. Am I going to be eaten? All right, I'm scared. I'll just go back. All right, guys, so this is a quiz for you. Take a guess. Write in the comment section. Wow. This is tiger here. This is tiger. Can you see the difference between tiger and leopard? The stripe pattern is different. King of the jungle, the lion, right there. These are the white rhinos. All right, we're looking for the chimpanzees. Chimpanzee, where are you? Where are you? Maybe this side. See if I can see. Over there. Oh, look. Right there. It's climbing up. Oh, look how many there are. There's a lot of them. Chimpanzees. Look. It's like, give me. Oh, what a catch.
But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark.
Here, Shoebill up close. So you can see here, Shoebill up close, that's how it looks. Very unique. Yeah. Make another noise for us. Okay, so this other bird here is called crested crane. If you have seen the Ugandan coat of arms, that bird there is on the coat of arms of Uganda. It's the national bird. If you happen to visit Uganda, don't ever try to kill this bird because you'll go to jail.
But life pulled us apart, left me talking to.
That side, that's where the giraffes are. Inside here is baboons. It's very dangerous. That's why they are enclosed for safety purpose. Scratching and smelling it.
But life pulled us apart.
That animal there, it's called antelope. I think it's missing one of its horn. I don't know how it broke it, but yeah, it has one horn there, as you can see right there. And over there, it's giraffe.
But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark.
So the water body you're seeing there, that is Lake Victoria. So the Entebbe Zoo is also partly surrounded by Lake Victoria. So that site, that's Rhino, restaurant, and also beach. Let's go find out. Look, looks like they also have boat rides here. Look at that. This is beautiful. If you ever happen to visit Uganda, do not miss this place. Look at this, what a beauty. Nice place to relax.
But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be. Half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a life at. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhymes. Hey.